making the most of AI. Instagram, dropshipping, and thousands. You may have heard of the lucrative dropshipping model, but did you know that you can use AI to make the most out of it? But how do you even start? And which AI tool do you even use? It can get complicated, but we'll show you that you don't need anything more than ChatGPT to help your business. But you can also take it a step further with additional tools if you like. So let's get started. ChatGPT and dropshipping. ChatGPT can assist in identifying lucrative niches, crafting compelling business names, targeting your ideal audience, and even generating SEO-friendly blog content. ChatGPT is a super tool for writing in your dropshipping business. It can help with product descriptions, social media posts, ads, blogs, emails, and even talking to customers. It's like having an intelligent assistant with the cumulative knowledge of almost the entire internet. Remember to use clear and detailed questions to get the best answers from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is designed for easy use, providing instant responses through simple chats. It boasts versatile applications in content generation, delivering responses that are professional and human-like, tailored to individual preferences. The platform supports over 95 languages, ensuring a broad reach. In terms of data control, users have the option to turn off chat history, preventing their data from being used for training and enhancing the ChatGPT model. While the basic ChatGPT is free, there's also ChatGPT Plus, available for $20 per month, offering quicker and more accurate responses. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipping pro or just embarking on this entrepreneurial journey, these tips can help you make the most out of it. How ChatGPT can help you. Now, let's explore how ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for dropshipping endeavors. Selecting the right niche is crucial for success, and ChatGPT can assist in brainstorming niche ideas and conducting thorough product research. Using prompts like listing the top 20 profitable dropshipping niches or discovering the most popular dropshipping niches in 2023 can result in innovative ideas. Once a niche is chosen, prompts can be utilized to obtain specific product recommendations, such as generating a list of 25 specific products for dropshipping or exploring trending kitchen gadgets under $50. A good business needs a good name. ChatGPT can help by giving you lots of name ideas. Just ask for suggestions like creating a catchy name for a home decor store. You can even specify if you want it to be quirky, elegant, or modern. And a successful business also needs customers. ChatGPT is also good at finding your ideal customer. It figures out what your customers like. You can ask for help in defining your target audience for a fitness apparel store. Then, ChatGPT gives ideas for things your customers will like, such as blog topics or social media posts. You can also ask ChatGPT about trends or what content to create for your audience. For example, you could inquire about the current trends in fashion for teenagers or what type of content you should create to resonate with your target audience. And ChatGPT is like a smart helper. It can make detailed customer personas, including names, backgrounds, interests, and challenges. This helps you understand your customers better. For instance, you could request the creation of a customer persona for your organic skincare brand. Relying on ChatGPT to do this will cut down the time investment significantly. You're getting half a day's worth of work done in less than 30 minutes. But what if you wanted to go further? When it comes to enhancing your dropshipping marketing game with ChatGPT, focusing on identifying and communicating your product's selling points can significantly boost your success. ChatGPT is invaluable in generating compelling selling points that highlight the uniqueness and value of your products, ideal for use in advertisements and in your dropshipping store. You can ask ChatGPT to create a specific list of features and benefits for your product. For example, if you're selling wireless earphones, you can prompt the AI to write an SEO-friendly product description using the device's features and benefits. These could be long battery life, easy-to-use touch controls, noise cancellation, and comfortable design. You get the idea. Like this, you can easily request SEO-friendly product descriptions for your dropship products using ChatGPT. You can even utilize ChatGPT to create an advertising copy tailored for various platforms, such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Google Ads. You can even use it to generate concise responses to address customer questions, provide valuable insights, and create a frequently asked questions section. Moreover, you can create personalized messages to keep customers informed about their order's progress from the moment they place it to its delivery. Now here's an opportunity to go even further with AI. You can automate this entire customer interaction portion using AI. To demonstrate this, let's assume you have a business setup on Instagram. What you'll need is an Instagram chatbot. Instagram chatbot. Boosting sales and offering great customer service on Instagram is easy with a chatbot. This special tool is part of your Instagram and website, ready to answer questions from your followers. If a question is too tricky, it'll pass it on to a real person on your team. Wondering how a chatbot can help you make money on Instagram? It's simple. The chatbot can suggest products from your shop right in the chat, making sales quicker and smoother. For example, if a customer asks about foundation colors, the chatbot can show 3 options the user can add to their cart without leaving Instagram. Using chatbots on Instagram brings many business benefits. This is because about 90% of Instagram users follow a business. 44% of people shop on Instagram every week. 2 in 3 people feel Instagram helps them connect with brands. 1 in 2 people discover new brands on Instagram. And about 92% of users take action right away when they see a product on Instagram. That's a lot of stats, but it boils down to one thing. It's worth it to have an Instagram page for your business, and even more worth it to have an AI chatbot integrated into it. In short, Instagram is a big opportunity for any brand because users love to shop on it. Just like Instagram stories and ads can interest customers in public, chatbots can turn that interest into private sales. The main benefit of a chatbot is that it can bypass human limitations. Responding to Instagram messages takes time for humans, but not for robots. An Instagram chatbot replies instantly to every message you get. This way, you can use your time for more important things, like creating new marketing ideas, making financial reports, or taking a well-deserved break. A chatbot can help save time by handling customer questions automatically. It's not just about saving time for businesses, it also helps customers. Unlike humans, chatbots don't follow a 9-to-5 schedule. Customers can ask questions anytime, day or night, and get instant answers. Chatbots also prevent embarrassing mistakes. Ever replied to a message half asleep and regretted it later? With chatbots, work stays within work hours, and you won't make embarrassing typos or confuse your business account for your personal one. For businesses with diverse customers, speaking their language is crucial. Studies show that 80% of shoppers are more likely to buy when they have a personalized retail experience, and language is a big part of that. Setting up a multilingual chatbot can be done in different ways. If you're a computer genius and a language wizard, you can translate responses yourself. But for the rest of us, platforms with built-in multilingual chatbots make it easy. Picking the right tool. Before you get an Instagram chatbot, do some research. Google Instagram chatbot, and you'll find over 28 million results. As the need for these systems grows, so does the supply, but not all chatbots are the same. When looking for tools to help with social media, check for case studies and customer reviews. Make sure the platform is high quality. If they mention companies using their services, message those companies to see how good the chatbot really is. Direct messages are vital for customer service, so choose a platform you trust. You don't want a sketchy chatbot sending weird messages to your potential customers. After all, you're responsible for your brand's actions, bot or no bot. One good example of a useful tool is Heyday. Heyday is one of the best tools for smart social commerce. It has everything you need to convert customers at scale. Here are a few features of Heyday. Heyday puts all your messages in one inbox, whether it's AI-generated or human-typed. No more searching for that one Insta DM or wondering if it was a Facebook message or email. Heyday's smart technology gathers keywords from inquiries and suggests the perfect product for your customers. Heyday's hybrid approach combines bots with human assistance. The Chatbot can link an online customer with an in-person retail manager through live chat and video calls. Handling big surges in business is easy with Heyday too. If your business is booming, you need to scale up. It's impossible to respond to so many messages yourself, so using Heyday's chatbot for FAQ automation will help speed things up. Without a chatbot, your customer service team would be overwhelmed by the sheer amount of customer inquiries. As another bonus, Heyday also comes with many integrations like Shopify, Salesforce, and more. If your research for the ideal chatbot comes short, try going for Heyday and see if it works for you. But if you have other suggestions, be sure to comment them down below. Give the video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more in the future.